Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, dear sisters. The much awaited prenatal workshop organized by the Bintul Muslim Council is here and now open for registrations. This workshop is being conducted under the guidance of Dr. Asma Zahra Sahiba, and it will connect you with various counselors and experts in this field, alhamdulillah. Why is it important for us to join this workshop? Dear sisters, isn't there so much ignorance and misinformation when it comes to prenatal and postpartum issues? This workshop aims at shedding light on what are the rewards of pregnancy, how is one to spend their pregnancy days, what are the various issues relating to various trimesters. For example, how to handle the initial nausea and our medicines, whether we should take iron and folic acids and how to substitute one for another, and so many such issues. Alhamdulillah, my dear sisters, in this workshop we will also be learning Islamic rulings concerning a newborn child as to circumcision, when to shave the baby's head, what are we supposed to do with the dried umbilical cord, what is the Islamic ruling related to all these things. Alhamdulillah, my dear sisters, we will also be learning under this workshop as to how to handle our body, what are the various changes that our body goes through, and how we can, alhamdulillah, make our body strong after pregnancy. We will also be learning how to handle a newborn baby, how to address a diaper rash, what is the correct position of feeding a child, how to make sure that the mother and the child are at ease and are emotionally and physically strong, alhamdulillah. My dear sisters, this is an excellent opportunity to educate ourselves for new mothers and for those who have already been mothers and for those who will be mothers one day, inshallah. I welcome all of you to join this beautiful workshop. Contact the number given on the brochure to register and for any further queries. Jazakallahu khairan kaseera. I look forward to seeing you all in the workshop. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.